Louise Bennett Coverley, affectionately known as Miss Lou, stands as an indomitable figure in Jamaican culture. Born in 1919, her impact on Jamaican language, identity, and artistic expression is immeasurable. Miss Lou fearlessly embraced and celebrated Jamaican Patois, elevating it to an art form. At a time when Standard English held dominion, she recognized the beauty, nuance, and power within her native tongue. Through her work, she instilled a sense of pride in Jamaican identity, proving that our language was not simply a dialect, but a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. Her influence extended beyond the borders of Jamaica, reaching the Jamaican diaspora and captivating international audiences. Through her poetry, plays, and performances, Miss Lou painted a vivid portrait of Jamaican life, showcasing the humor, resilience, and spirit of her people. Miss Lou's journey began in the humble surroundings of Kingston, Jamaica, where she was born in 1919. Her early education, first at Ebenezer and then at Calabar High School, exposed her to the complexities of Jamaican society. Despite facing the rigid social structures of colonial Jamaica, where Standard English was privileged, Miss Lou gravitated towards the rich tapestry of Jamaican Patois. Her pursuit of higher education led her to Friends College, now University of the West Indies, and later to London, where she honed her craft at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art. These experiences broadened her artistic horizons while deepening her connection to her Jamaican roots. Armed with her education and a heart brimming with cultural pride, Miss Lou embarked on a path that would forever change the landscape of Jamaican art and identity. Her journey was one of courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in the power of her voice. Miss Lou's most significant contribution to Jamaican culture was her unwavering advocacy for Jamaican Patois. In a society where Standard English was the language of power and prestige, she dared to challenge the status quo, recognizing the beauty, nuance, and cultural richness embedded within the vernacular. With each performance, poem, and play, Miss Lou chipped away at the deeply rooted prejudices against patois. She demonstrated its versatility, its ability to evoke laughter, provoke thought, and convey the full spectrum of human emotion. Her work challenged the notion that patois was merely a broken form of English, revealing it instead as a sophisticated language with its own grammar, syntax, and cultural significance. Through her infectious humor and sharp wit, Miss Lou made patois accessible to all Jamaicans. She instilled a sense of pride in those who had long been made to feel ashamed of their native tongue. Miss Lou's legacy is inextricably linked to the widespread acceptance and celebration of Jamaican patois. Miss Lou's impact extended far beyond her linguistic contributions. She was a fearless advocate for the marginalized and a voice for the voiceless. Her work tackled social issues with wit and insight, challenging the hypocrisies of Jamaican society and giving a platform to those who were often overlooked. Through her characters, often drawn from everyday life, she shed light on the struggles of the working class, the plight of women in a patriarchal society, and the enduring legacy of colonialism. Her performances were not merely entertainment, they were social commentaries disguised as comedy, sparking conversations and challenging audiences to confront uncomfortable truths. Miss Lou's humor, while disarming, was never toothless. She used satire and irony to expose injustice and hypocrisy, forcing her audiences to confront their own biases and prejudices. By amplifying the voices of the marginalized, Miss Lou played a pivotal role in shaping a more inclusive and equitable Jamaican society. Theatrical prowess, from stage to screen. Miss Lou's artistic talents extended far beyond her mastery of language. She was a gifted actress with an undeniable stage presence, captivating audiences with her charisma, wit, and impeccable comedic timing. Her theatrical career spanned decades, leaving an indelible mark on Jamaican theatre and beyond. From her early days performing on the radio to her iconic roles on stage and screen, Miss Lou brought a unique blend of humour, social commentary, and cultural authenticity to every performance. She possessed an uncanny ability to embody the spirit of her characters, breathing life into their stories and making them relatable to audiences from all walks of life. Her contributions to Jamaican theatre were groundbreaking. Miss Lou's theatrical legacy continues to inspire generations of Jamaican artists. Literary achievements, poetry in motion. While Miss Lou's theatrical performances brought her widespread acclaim, her literary achievements cemented her status as a cultural icon. Her poetry, often infused with humour and social commentary, captured the essence of Jamaican life, giving voice to the hopes, dreams, and struggles of her people. Through her words, she painted vivid portraits of everyday Jamaicans, celebrating their resilience, their humour, and their unwavering spirit. Her poems tackled a wide range of themes, from love and loss to social injustice and political satire. No topic was off limits, and her sharp wit and keen observations never failed to resonate with readers. Her most enduring literary legacy lies in her use of Jamaican Patois. By choosing to write in the language of her people, she elevated it to an art form, demonstrating its beauty, nuance, and power. A legacy forged in advocacy. Miss Lou's legacy extends far beyond her artistic achievements. She was a relentless advocate for Jamaican culture, dedicating her life to promoting and preserving the unique traditions, language, and heritage of her homeland. She was a vocal supporter of Jamaican independence, using her platform to raise awareness about the movement and inspire her fellow citizens to embrace their cultural identity. Her performances often carried subtle political messages, challenging colonial rule and urging Jamaicans to take pride in their heritage. Beyond her public persona, Miss Lou worked tirelessly behind the scenes to champion Jamaican culture. She established cultural programs, mentored young artists, and traveled extensively, sharing her love for Jamaica with the world. Miss Lou's legacy is a testament to the transformative power of cultural advocacy. International recognition and impact. While Miss Lou's heart belonged to Jamaica, her influence transcended national borders, captivating audiences and earning accolades on the international stage. Her unique blend of humour, social commentary, and cultural authenticity resonated with people from all walks of life, solidifying her status as a global cultural ambassador. Her performances took her across the globe, from the grand stages of London's West End to intimate cultural gatherings in North America and the Caribbean. Everywhere she went, she carried with her the spirit of Jamaica, sharing her love for her homeland and its vibrant culture. Her international acclaim culminated in numerous awards and honours, recognising her contributions to literature, theatre, and cultural preservation. Miss Lou's international recognition served as a source of pride for Jamaicans at home and abroad. Shaping Jamaican identity. Miss Lou's impact on Jamaican identity cannot be overstated. At a time when Jamaica was emerging from the shadows of colonialism, her work played a pivotal role in shaping a new national identity, one that embraced its African heritage, celebrated its cultural uniqueness, and dared to dream of a brighter future. Through her performances, she instilled a sense of pride in being Jamaican. Her characters, often ordinary people facing extraordinary circumstances, reflected the resilience, humour, and indomitable spirit of the Jamaican people. She showed the world that Jamaicans were more than just subjects of a colonial power. They were a people with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and a story that deserved to be told. Her advocacy for Jamaican Patois was equally significant. Miss Lou's legacy is etched in the heart of Jamaican identity. Miss Lou's enduring legacy. Miss Lou's physical presence may have left us in 2006, but her spirit continues to loom large over Jamaican society. Her legacy an enduring testament to the power of art, advocacy, and unwavering cultural pride. Her influence can be felt in every corner of Jamaican life, from the classrooms where Patois is now embraced as a legitimate language of instruction, to the grand stages where Jamaican artists confidently showcase their talents. Her words and her image continue to inspire, reminding us of the importance of embracing our heritage, celebrating our uniqueness, and using our voices to advocate for a more just and equitable society. Institutions across Jamaica bear her name, preserving her legacy and ensuring that her contributions to Jamaican culture are never forgotten. The task of preserving Miss Lou's legacy falls not just on institutions, but on each and every Jamaican. Conclusion. The unfading spirit of Miss Lou. Miss Lou's journey was one of courage, determination, and an unwavering belief in the power of culture to uplift and inspire. She challenged the status quo, broke down barriers, and paved the way for a new generation of Jamaican artists to embrace their heritage and share their stories with the world. Her legacy is a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, one voice can make a difference. Her story teaches us to embrace our uniqueness, to celebrate our cultural heritage, and to use our voices to advocate for a more just and equitable society. May her legacy continue to inspire generations to come, ensuring that the vibrant tapestry of Jamaican culture continues to thrive for centuries to come. Share your thoughts on Miss Lou's impact in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Jamaican culture. Thank you for watching.